This is the WTE MT RX3 AIS alerting receiver. We're just going through the receiving area. It's not connected to a GPS at the moment, and it's just having a look at what's out there. It's currently able to receive AIS beacons, and there is nothing that is alerting it. Here is a rescue link PLB. We're going to put it into test mode, and so we've raised the antenna. A short press there would be the test for the battery. A long press, as you see here, is going to initiate the GPS test. This should only be done 12 times per battery life on these units. It takes about a minute for it to receive the GPS signal, which is in that bottom kind of oval. That's where the GPS is being held, so you don't put your hand over the top of it, otherwise it won't get the GPS signal. That's going to transfer the information from the test directly to the WTE, which you can hear is going there. Come back inside, and here is the WTE unit. Now it has received the latitude and longitude. It's receiving a signal there. There's no AIS signal that's showing in that point. It hasn't been able to create a bearing because it hasn't currently got a GPS signal for itself, but as you could see, it gave the GPS location, and on that previous screen you could just see the 406 was registered.